Hello and welcome to another update video about NEAR. The NEAR protocol, we take a quick look at the previous video from the 5th of June, take a look at where we were then, and then I'll update you on the latest TA. We're in the Bitcoin video today, and we'll get to that in a minute. For me at the moment, this is quite likely that we will see a little bit more upside in the wave E here, possibly to above $6, and then would see another move down because a wave 4. Okay, so we were here in a triangle already on the 5th of June. We were trading at 546. I expected more upside and then a break of the triangle to the downside. Let's take a look at where we are now. And you can see that based on this scenario, we indeed moved up higher. We didn't move to above $6. We only moved to $5.76, but we had more upside. Then, however, the price turned, but it was a wave D in my opinion that unfolded here. And we can now see that the price reacted here and started to move to the downside already. Now, is this already confirmation that the triangle count is over? Two things I have to say here. One thing is that this chart is the Binance chart. I don't see this long wick to the downside on every chart, so just be aware of that. Different charts look a bit different on different exchanges. That's just one thing I wanted to mention. The other point I wanted to mention is it is a very strong indicator that the triangle has broken when we move below the wave D low. That was at $5.12. So we did break below that. When we broke below it, you can see it here, the downtrend accelerated. However, confirmation that the triangle is broken and that we really are starting here this impulsive move to the downside. So basically this one here, this could be a wave 1, could be seeing the wave 2 there. This could be a wave 3 now. Then there will be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. But confirmation that this is happening, will only be obtained as soon as we break below $4.68. Why is this level so important? This level is so important because this is the wave B low, and only if you move below the wave B low, you are going to confirm the breaking of this triangle, and then we can also count this as an impulsive move down. Now that hasn't happened yet, and you can see how relevant that level is. We came all the way down already here to $4.68. So we are pretty much, we touched that level pretty much, and we are waiting for it to be broken. If this here was already wave 1 and this was wave 2, what do we expect for the wave 3? And as always, we take the Fibonacci extension tool. For the wave 3, we would expect a level or a price level of $4.26. So we haven't yet seen the wave 3 to be complete. We would need to break this 468 level to confirm the move down and also finish off the wave 3. But again, to do that, we need to break this support. And as long as we haven't broken it, it is support. Could it be something different? Yes, of course. It could still be until we break below the wave B level. We could still be in a longer triangle. This can unfold further. Could be that this here is only the wave D low. Then we have here something like an A, B, C within the wave D. And then we will have a wave E to the upside afterwards. This will not be valid anymore as soon as we break below 468. And therefore we need to wait here for confirmation at the moment. Very, very important. And if this was the wave E high, then we can assume that the wave 4 was finished here as well, and that we are on our way down here in this wave 5. So very, very important. And then down here, we would also finish off the overall correction for NEAR. This all is based on the view that we will see one more lower low. Now, not necessarily below here, not necessarily below 351, because we haven't seen such a long dip or wick on every exchange. It might just be a glitch. 351, we came down here on Binance. Maybe let's take a quick look at Bitfinex. Looks completely different. We only came down to 527, so it might be a glitch. I might actually, for the next analysis, look at a different chart, because based on the chart that I gave you, it might come to different conclusions, So this was Bitfinex, FTX. I think the Binance chart might be a bit flawed with regards to NEAR. Nevertheless, I'm going to continue here, but we have to think that this here might have never happened, that long wick down. We'll see. Either way, you know, we would expect here lower levels still for NIR at the moment until we break above the $6.53 level. What would happen above that level? Very important resistance level here. A move above $6.53 would unlock higher price level potential into this region between $7.61 and $8.40. That would be actually the ideal retracement level for a wave 4. Should this triangle not work out and we break above that, it would not be bullish, but it would be likely then to reach that area next. And only if we move above that area, which would also be a move above the 50-day moving average, then it will unlock higher prices and we could be more confident that the low for the NIR protocol is actually already in. Yeah. Overall, yeah, the NIR protocol has retraced enough to complete this overall correction. Absolutely. We can see here that this was a wave 1. Back on the 16th of January, we came down in a wave A, we moved up in a wave B, we came down in a wave C of the wave 2. That wave C came lower than the low of the wave A. We see here back then we caught the reversal point. Remember up here I told you that we are going to reverse down due to the ascending wedge, and also when we broke the trend line it became very likely that we were heading down. I had on the chart here the 1461 level, and anybody who set a stop here would have done really well. Yeah, we talked about that key level and we moved down here into this new area where we can now say, right, the minimum requirements to complete this overall correction are done, because the wave C needs to move below a wave A. It did that, and from here we could theoretically now start to move up, but the lower level wave count does not yet suggest that. It doesn't yet suggest it. Again, only if we move above these levels that I just mentioned, especially here above $8.40, we will have more bullish confirmation. Until then, because we are technically still in a downtrend, we have to assume that we continue the downtrend. That is just part of the game. All right, and that is here currently my view about the NIR protocol. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to a weekly live stream, the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, my own buy and sell orders, and just a lot of additional content and just a fantastic community that remains really, really calm in the current bear market. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.